The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information, call 417-335-3109. Luxury and large 3-bedroom/3-bath condo at Mystic Bay. The decor is neutral, and the floor plan is open and inviting, with over 1,850 square feet. You'll love the white kitchen with stainless steel appliances, upgraded tile floors and backsplash, a breakfast bar with pendant lighting, and granite countertops. There's 9 feet ceilings throughout and an electric fireplace. 2 of the bedrooms are lakefront, which you rarely find. The screen deck is huge, and part of the deck is open for grilling. Mystic Bay is a wonderful gated community that doesn't allow nightly rentals, and is located in the heart of Osage Beach on the 2 millimeters of the Grand Glaize Arm, with a lovely lakefront pool. This condo is located on the lower level, and has parking that goes directly to the lower level for easy access. You can walk off of your decks and be just a few steps from your dock. Also included is a 12 by 34 boat slip. So much to love about this condo. Come see for yourself.